Welcome again to the interesting lesson, and my lesson in the course of today is finding the slope of a line. And the slope, sometimes we refer to it as a gradient. Just to define what a slope is, that the slope of an unvertical line is defined as the number of units the line rises or falls for each unit of horizontal change. Now I've given a line or a sketch there to demonstrate this one. We have 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2. So the change in x-axis is x2 minus x1 and the change in y-axis is y2 minus y1. So the rate change of the two, for this case we refer to it as the gradient. So the slope m of a line passing through these 2 points x1 and y1 and also x2 and y2 are given as m equals to change in y divided by change in x, which sometimes also say the rise divided by the run. Now I've provided an example on a quick note. We have said find the slope of the line containing -3 and 4 and 2 and 1. Those are two coordinates, and to do that one we let x1 y1 to be -3 4 and x2 y2 to be 2 and 1. Then you recall the relation, that is m is y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. That is the difference in y values over the difference in the x values. Then the second substitution is done, which is 1 minus 4, 2 minus minus 3. Then simplifying, we get that the gradient m equals to -3 over 5. Now, if I was to sketch that diagram, then you can realize that the line is dropping, telling you that the line has a negative gradient. Then I've given you 2 points of note. The first one is that from here I've given you that when the line rises from left to right, that means a positive gradient. Then the line rises from left to right, it has a positive gradient. Now when the slope is 0, that means the line is horizontal. And when the gradient is negative, that means the line is falling, or the line is rising from negative or from the right hand side to the left hand side. Then lastly, when the line is vertical, then it means the gradient is undefined for that case. So I believe those two quick video has enabled you to understand more on this issue of gradient or the slope of a straight line. Thank you, and you can subscribe for more videos to follow. May God bless you.